Laguna Lake Development Authority versus CA 231 SCRA 292. Facts. A letter complaint was filed with the Laguna Lake Development Authority, LLDA, seeking to stop the operation of open garbage dump site in the Tala Estate, Caloocan, due to its harmful effects on the health of residents and possibility of population of the water content in the surrounding area. It was discovered that the open dump site did not have an environmental compliance certificate from Environmental Management Bureau of the Department of Environmental and Natural Resources, as required under Presidential Decree number 1586 and clearance from LLDE as required under Public Act 4850. The LLD then conducted an on-site investigation, monitoring and test sampling of the leachate that seeps from the said dump site to the nearby creek, which is a tributary of the Marilao River. The leachate testing revealed the presence of the bacteria. As a result, the LLDE Marilao River. The leachate testing revealed the presence of bacteria. As a result of LLDE issued a cease and desist order, ordering the dumping of the form of garbage and other waste matter of Caloocan dump site to completely stop when talks on the dump site failed to settle problem. The dump site was opened again, prompting the LLDA to issue another cease and desist order. Thereafter, the LLDA, with the assistance of the Philippine National Police, enforced the order of prohibiting the entry of garbage dump trucks in the Caloocan dump site. The city government of the Caloocan then filed with the RTC of Caloocan City an action for declaration of nullity of the cease and desist order, and sought to be declared as the sole authority empowered to promote the health and safety and enhance the right of people of Caloocan to balance equality within territorial jurisdiction. Carino versus Commission on Human Rights 24 SCR 8483 for joining the concerted mass actions of public teachers and failure to heed return work and order issued by DACS Secretary Carino. 8 teachers from Ramon Magsaysay High School, namely Graciano Budoy, Julieta Barbaran Elzado Ibabaw, Helen Lopo Aparo Gonzalez, Luz Del Castillo, Elsa Reyes, and Apolinario Isber, were administratively charged, preventively suspended for 90 days, and temporarily replaced. The said 8 teachers led the council subsequently staged a walkout signifying their intent to boycott the processing. Thereafter, Secretary Carino rendered a decision ordering the dismissal from service of Isber and the 9-month suspension of Barbaran, Budoy, and Del Castillo. The 8 teachers then complained to the Commission on Human Rights on the ground that they were denied the due process. Secretary Carino filed a motion to dismiss with the CHR on the ground that the CHR had no jurisdiction over the case. Simon versus Commission on Human Rights 229 SCRA 7. Facts. A demolition notice was sent by the office of the Quezon City Mayor to the officers and members of the North EDSA Vendors Association, NEVA, which gave the latter 3 days to vacate their stalls in order to give the People's Park. The NEVA, led by the President Roque Fermo, filed a letter complaint with the CHR asking that the letter be addressed to the Mayor Brigido Simon Jr. of Quezon City to stop the demolition of their stalls, sari-sari stores, and carinderia along EDSA. The CHR subsequently issued an order directing the accused officers to desist from demolishing the stalls and shanties the North EDSA pending resolution of the vendors' complaint before the Commission. Notwithstanding said order, the accused officers carried out the demolition of the stalls, sari-sari stores, and carinderia, prompting the CHR to order the disbursement of financial assistance of not more than 200,000 in favor of the vendors to purchase light housing materials and food under the CHR supervision, and again directed the accused officers to citation for contempt and arrest. The accused officers filed a motion to dismiss questioning the CHR's jurisdiction. Subsequently, the CHR cited the accused officer in contempt for carrying out further demolition on the stalls, sari-sari stores, and carinderia despite the ordered desist, and imposed the fine 5 pesos on each of them.